Where are you, Shirley? Oh, there you are. Eating your cookie. We have this blocked off because of erosion. Let's see where they have like the fence. Pretty cool. It's pretty here. Seems late in the year to see a monarch caterpillar. Whoa. Right out here by Lake Michigan, your boat. A couple guys racing out there. Whoa. Whoa. This is a good drop off. Wouldn't want to roll down the side of this thing. Oh, I gotta crawl back through the fence. Pretty neat. Well, Shirley and I just came out of the woods over there, and I can see that this has been mowed. I bet there are some orb weavers in this stuff. Oh, look at these trees. Oh, got me dizzy. I'm gonna wander through the field here. Maybe I'll find a spider. Or a praying mantis. Maybe a walking stick. Stick bug. Well, found this tussock moth. And I'm not going to touch this thing. You grab the end of that stick. Okay, well, that's right. If you started going towards my hand, I don't want it to crawl on me. It's got little stingers. Oh, see my shadow. What do we got on this side? Close up of his face. Well, this is off of Blue Star Highway. We've been here before, but it's been a while. Nice, easy little walk. Blue Star that way. heading north that way. And there's Shirley in her little blue car.